Today in this video, I will show you one very easy method using which you will be able to generate podcast, and that too completely generated by AI and also absolutely for free. For this podcast, you don't even also need to write your own script. AI will do everything for you. Only thing you need to do, you need to add some information source, and that's the only effort required from your end. Let me show you what am I talking about. Currently, I'm in Google homepage, and if I just type notebooklm.google.com and if I hit enter, then you will be able to see this kind of interface. If you have not used NotebookLM earlier, then use your Google credentials to log in. This is for free. Now, they also have a paid plan, but free will be more than enough for our requirement. So this is the interface of NotebookLM. In case you want to generate any of the podcast, what you can do, you can click on create new, and then you will be able to see this type of a dialog box. For now, if I just close it and then I'll show you. So this is the interface you will be able to see. Here in the left side, you will be able to add your sources. It can be a document, it can be a website address, it can be YouTube videos, any text you already have, everything you will be able to add, and then it will generate some of the summary here, and then I will show you the next method. If I click on this add, then the other dialog box will come again. Currently, I'm in my downloads folder, and there I already downloaded few of the PDF files. So these are the 3 PDF files I earlier added. I added these 3 files as a source. Now you can see it is adding those documents here, and it auto-generated a title for all these documents, and it's mentioning there are 3 sources. Foundations for Enterprise Generative AI Adoption. It already analyzed what are the things are there in these 3 documents, and for that it already created this summary out of it. Now I can add few more things here, like if I click on add, I'll be able to add website links, YouTube videos. In case I have some copied text, everything I'll be able to do. Also, I can connect my Google Docs or Google Slides here, and that's the way we'll be able to do it. If you also want to discover some of the sources, you can click on that and you will be able to search here only, so that it will pull out certain details from Google search engine also. So let me very quickly add few of the website links and YouTube video links, and then we'll produce our podcast. I have few links here. I'll just maybe select one of the link here, and I'll click on website and I'll paste it here. I'll add on insert, and then another maybe video. Let me add one of the YouTube video. I'll click on add again, click on YouTube, and then here I'll paste the link. So I'm not adding everything here. I just shown what are the things you can do: document, website address, and YouTube videos. Now our sources are ready. Now here is the right side. You can see there are few of the things. I can generate a deep dive conversation based on these sources. Now think about if you want to generate maybe a sports related podcast, maybe some news about any of the sports. You can just check some of the links available from different news site. You can add it, and you will be able to generate a podcast based on that particular sport, right? So that's just an idea. One thing, let me show you here. Before I click on generate, I'll show you few of the options here. I'll click on customize. Now here you can see length of the podcast. If I click longer, then it will expand the discussion. Now what are the things you want to cover here as part of the discussion? So what I mentioned, pros and cons of generative AI to be added additionally. If I now click on generate, now it will start working. And then it will take some time. Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 minutes, or sometimes more than 5 minutes. And that is dependent on number of sources you are adding. If I just click on add, you can see here you will be able to add 50 different sources, and that is using the free tier. In case you have a paid plan, this number will get multiplied by 10. So this is the way you will be able to add anything. Now if I close it, now you can see it's generating. Once this is ready, then you will be getting one audio file, and that you will be able to download, and that file you will be able to upload anywhere else to publish it as a podcast. So while it's generating the audio, one small announcement. My ChatGPT course is now available on Skillshare. I have added one link in the description below. If you want to check out that link, I have already published a couple of courses there related to ChatGPT. Those you'll be able to check. Also during the trial period, you will be also able to evaluate multiple different other courses which have been published by renowned instructors around the world on multiple different topics. You will also have a chance to cancel your subscription if you don't like the platform. That also you can do within that trial period. Now coming back, let's see what NotebookLM generated, if this podcast will be usable or not. Okay, our audio is now ready. You can see it generated a 63 minutes podcast, and that too only from these 5 sources. So you can imagine how effective this tool can be if you want to generate podcast using this tool. Let me just click on play and let's hear it, how it sounds.
You know that feeling, right? That moment you first played around with something like ChatGPT, or maybe saw those really mind-bending AI images.
Oh, yeah.
There was that kind of initial rush of, wow, this is actually amazing. And maybe, just maybe, also that little voice saying, uh-oh, what does this mean?
Definitely. A mix of awe and maybe a little bit of apprehension.
It really felt like the ground shifted under our feet. And, well, in a lot of ways, it really did. I mean, think about it.
How is it? Isn't it incredible? So this is the quality of the podcast it can generate using this tool. So this is the way you will be able to generate high quality podcast, and that too absolutely for free, and it will be completely AI generated. You don't need to write a single word of script to generate this type of podcast. You can just come here in these 3 dots and you will be able to download it as WAV file and you will be able to use anywhere. Let me know your views in comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask there. I'll also try to answer those as soon as I can. If you want to talk to me directly, I have added one link in description below of fan call application. Using that, you will be able to block my calendar and you will be able to talk to me one-to-one. So if you have any such requirement, check out that link too. If you also want to know more about how to use NotebookLM, then check out this video where I covered it end to end.